Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. Happy Monday. It's a warm day out there right now, 96 degrees in the capital city. It will not look anything close to this tomorrow. How about the 50s and the 60s across the state tomorrow compared to the 80s and 90s we have right now? But a little hint of what's to come near the Cut Bank area. We are down to 62 degrees just compared to a little bit further south in Great Falls at 84. So that cold front is slowly making its way through the state, bringing a little bit of wind with it as well. A north wind throughout much of the plains right now. A little bit of a west wind out there in Helena at 12 miles an hour right now. It's been gusty at times today. It will continue to be through the night tonight and into tomorrow. We have a few thunderstorms that have popped into southwest Montana, mainly over the higher terrain of the Beartooth and Absaroka Mountains. A few lightning strikes near Red Lodge, out towards the Livingston area, Cook City. Just to the south, a thunderstorm, and then Yellowstone National Park itself getting a few lightning strikes. But the main event is further north in Calgary. Heavy rain throughout the day today. That is slowly making its way southward. You see a few lightning strikes popping up there. We do have a severe weather threat today, mainly going overnight tonight for some gusty wind associated with some thunderstorms as that cold front continues to push southward. We could see wind gusts of 65 miles an hour with some of these storms. So let's track everything out here. Much of north central Montana will be a little soggy tonight and into tomorrow morning as that front slowly makes its way through Helena right at around the midnight hour. That's when we'll see an increase in the winds out of the north, maybe 20 to 30 miles an hour at times. And then tomorrow morning, as the sun's coming up, that's when we'll start to see some showers around the Helena area. Very heavy rain into north central Montana, especially along the Rocky Mountain front, where we could see 1 to 2 inches of rain in some spots. And the rain continues throughout the day for most of the state tomorrow. Now, Helena itself, probably a little more spotty coverage in terms of showers. We'll see some rain and then it will quiet down a little bit, and then we'll see some more rain, possibly even a thunderstorm into the afternoon. And then by Wednesday, most of the rain is on out of here. Just a few remaining showers out near Lewistown and Glasgow by about noontime. So the wind will be gusty as well as that front comes through. I mentioned 20 to 30 mile an hour winds in Helena. And then the wind direction switches out of the north and east tomorrow. It still will be a little breezy, but by Wednesday, most of the gustier wind is on out of the state, and we're left with an east flow back behind our center of low. We will be seeing a lot of rain into upslope areas, mostly those northern edges of the mountains. So the Little Belts, the High Woods, the Big Belts, the Rocky Mountain front, even up to the Bear Paw Mountains and the Snowy Mountains could be looking at an inch plus of rainfall through the day tomorrow and into Wednesday morning. Helena itself, probably right around a half an inch to less in the lower elevations. We could even be looking at a little bit of snow up into Glacier National Park. Here's the forecast for tonight. A lot of us dipping down into the 40s and the 50s. Notice a lot of rain and some thunderstorm activity around for much of the northern tier of the state. We will have some rain around a little later near the Helena area. So here is the 7-day forecast for Helena. Remember, we're at 96 degrees right now. We will only reach 60 degrees tomorrow. A huge drop in our forecast. How about 36 degrees colder than what we are right now? We'll slowly warm up into the rest of this work week. We'll be at about 75 on Wednesday. Another small disturbance passing to the north on Thursday will bring some scattered showers to north central Montana and kind of hold our temperatures stable Thursday and Friday. We're back up into the low 90s for the weekend, but another passing weather system early next week will start to drop our temperatures once again.